Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends, I am myself Harda Fatima. Today we are going to do debate on should Muslims follow the racial practice to adapt in the modern time. So are you all ready to see the debate? Yes. I don't think you are energetic. Are you all ready? Yes. So my this hand side is off. And this hand side off. So let's start a debate. Now who wants to tell the first opinion?
I want to ask a question.
Yes, sister.
Doesn't following the old way go against the Quran and the Prophet?
Tricky question.
I want to tell
Yes, sister.
how it can go against the Quran and Prophet teaching, because our old ways come from the Prophet teaching and help us live a good life.
Excellent. Now who wants to debate her?
I want to say,
Yes, sister.
but shouldn't we understand the Quran and the Prophet teachings in a modern way, not just follow the old rules?
MashaAllah. Now who wants to debate her?
I want to.
Yes, sister.
Quran and the Prophet's teaching are forever to our always keep us close to Allah.
Excellent point.
I want to tell, but what about using our brain to figure things out? We should adapt a new situation.
Now who wants to debate her? Yes, sister.
Yes, we should use our brains, but only with the Quran and the Prophet's teachings as our guide.
Grateful. I have the question for the debaters. How can the Muslim balance the two sides, traditionalist and modernist?
I want to give my opinion on this.
Yes, sister.
By living the Islamic values of justice, kindness, and equality in modern life,
Great answer. Now who wants to debate her? Yes, sister.
By holding to our Islamic faith and tradition as the Quran teaches.
Excellent. Yes, sister.
Yes, but we'll go with the society that shows our standard. I want to add.
Yes, sister.
And what about science and technology? Whichever things are going on now, if we will not go with the flow, so we will be backward. I want to say,
Yes, sister.
but we must be careful not to adopt the modern ideas which are totally different from Islam. We should take the knowledge from Quran and Hadith only. So, what about culture and civilization? I want to say
Yes,
that
sister.
learning from the other culture and civilization is valuable, but we must be careful not to lose our own identity in this progress. Our faith also allows us that learn from others, but stay true. Let's learn from others, but remember what you are and what you believe in.
Knowledgeable point. Yes, sister.
Muslims will follow always like Quran and Hadith says. New thing might be take away from that to Islam.
Excellent point.
I want to say,
Yes, sister.
but we should also put Islam into modern life since help us to understand and practice our faith in today's life. Sister, I want to tell.
Yes, sister.
If we change too much, we will lose our Muslim identity.
Excellent.
I want to say.
Yes, Anzalappi.
And if we are going with the society, then we have to fit Islam in the modern time, not just following the old rules. I want to say,
Yes, sister.
but didn't the Prophet says that new ways are bad?
I want to say, only if they go against Islam, we can use our brain to find new solution that still follow Islam.
I want to say one thing.
Yes, sister.
That sister, old is gold. Old is not gold. If you are seeing heritage, whichever thing is old, they are being destroyed. None of use. I want to give an example of Quran, which was revealed ancient time, but now also it is like that only, and it will be like that only till the day of judgment. Yes, you are right. But what about science? We can gain the knowledge of science from Quran also, because many of the things which is already mentioned in Quran, now the scientist has discovered. Knowledgeable point.
So from this debate, we get to know that we should be equal in both modern and traditional.
I have the poetry. The Quran's words for me and your revelation, guiding to the humanity until the end of the day and until the end of the time. Jazakallahu khair. I hope you are getting the very information from this debate. From this debate, we get to know we should equal in the both sides, traditionalist also and modernist also. We should go with the flow of modern also, but we do not have to forget the Quran, because the Quran is our first priority.